So guys, today we'll see how we can install Mongo shell in our Windows operating system. Okay, so guys, already I have done video how we can install MongoDB and on Windows operating system. See, if you want to install Mongo shell, then for that what you need to do, just go in Google and type here Mongo shell, or you can type Mongo shell download, not a problem. Okay, you can see guys here, then here MongoDB shell download, you need to go on this link, then it is taking time. See guys, it is loading. So here you can see guys, there is a version we need to select, then you need to select the platform. See, now I am doing for Windows, so I'll select Windows, and if you are doing for other things, Linux and all, you can select guys from here. Okay, and next here we need to select the packages. You can see guys, there is a MSI, there is a zip, so we need to check we need to select zip file. Okay, then next go and download it. Okay, so once it get download, we will get this file in our download section. See guys, it is downloading. So we'll wait for that. And guys, if you are new to my channel, then like, share and subscribe to my channel guys. Okay, see guys, it is downloaded. So now what we'll do, we'll show that in folder. So you can see guys, it is downloaded. We are in download folder. See guys, downloaded. Then what we need to do next, just click on this and inspect this file, extract to same. I will do same file. See, it is extracting. You can see guys, here my file is there, right? Mongo shell. So what we need to do, just copy this file, go in your program files, in C drive, program files, then here our Mongo is there, right? Where it is, MongoDB. See here guys, here is server name, so we need to paste here. Continue. Okay, it is done. Then what need to do, just go in this folder, go in bin file, then copy. How we are done for MongoDB, right? Same we need to do for this, and go here in environment folder, environment variable, then path, edit and new, and add it here. Here you can see guys, this is our MongoDB and this is our Mongo shell. Okay, then okay and okay. See guys, you can add this file anywhere, okay, not in MongoDB only, but it's better to add same here only, because our MongoDB is also here, so Mongo shell also if you add here, that is good, right? Okay, so I thought I will tell guys, you add here only, otherwise you can add anywhere, no problem, but you need to give that path. Okay, then this is done guys. We have we have downloaded Mongo shell and we have installed, everything is done. Suppose if you want to check, just go here in CMD, and here we'll do Mongo sh. See guys, okay guys, here you can already have done video for this. Here it is giving errors. For that what we need to do, just go in services, open services. See, already I have done video guys, that is separate video for that. If you are getting that error, then also I will tell here also how we need to do. Just search here MongoDB. Where it is, I'm not getting. You can see guys, here it is MongoDB server. It says right click and make it start guys. Okay, see, it is getting start now because we are starting the server here. It will take some time. Okay, see guys, it is running now. Okay, so now we'll check. I will close this, go in command prompt, we'll check first MongoDB. Oh sorry, MongoD it should be, or we can check version also as well, MongoD version. Okay, then Mongo sh. Now we'll see guys, it is installed and our error is also solved, right? So like this you can see, show DBS, it will show the database. See guys, so like this you can install Mongo shell in your Windows operating system. I hope guys you liked this video. Definitely you liked it, right? So guys, please like to my channel like to my this video, and please guys support me because we'll make 5k family as soon as early. So guys, like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much guys. Keep supporting guys.